My name is Amit Sinha. I'm the executive pastry chef at RACV City Club. Plus also we have a shop which is LPG, Petit Gateau, where anyone can come in and have their cakes and stuff. Here at LPG, we do variety of things. So we do like from breakfast pastries, Danish croissant, we do chocolate garnishes, we do chocolate work, we do pastries, we do plated desserts. Usually like our standard time to start here is 6 a.m. But depending upon if you have any functions in the morning or any special events like Mother's Day coming or during the Christmas time, we start even earlier. So it is 8-hour shift, but sometimes it can go 10, 12, depending upon how busy we are. How we start our day is like, first of all, we just bake all the breakfast pastries, which are danishes and croissants. We finish them off. Then we start onto our cakes and individual showcases, which we set up into the shop. So we try to aim to get everything done by 8 a.m. So the pace is really fast, and depending upon how busy we are also, it has to get really done. We don't want to be setting up the shop when people are already here for their coffees or morning breakfast pastry. And then after we start our production, so every day is a different, all our cakes, what we do here, actually have different layers, which takes time to get done. Maybe one cake you see in the shop, it gets like 2 or 3 days to finish it, starting from baking it, making the creamy, making different layers, glazing it, finishing it all up. Like today we will be doing some banoffee, which we'll start today, but it will not be finished till tomorrow. The other bits and pieces of like glazing of the stuff, doing some garnishes. Before we finish, we make sure we put the danishes and the croissants in the prover, so that it's ready for the next day of baking. If we forget that, we have no danishes next day to have in the shop. To be honest, seeing what you have done and displayed, it just gives you immense pleasure and happiness that, oh, this is what you have done and all. It's a very friendly, fun environment in the kitchen, which reflects onto our product. So when you see the product, you feel happy. That's what the environment we have in the kitchen.